Hello everyone, here's the top end of air compressor. Absolutely same heads. I took this one apart and then I was like, okay, let me make a video here. I didn't, but I am. So here it is. It just stopped working. Still warm a little bit. This gasket right here is what's going bad in your air compressor. I forgot what it was. I think it's a cobalt. Anyways, I'll go look it up. But anyways, here it is. Replace the gasket and you'll be good to go again. If it's overheating, doesn't shut off, there's the problem. Simple fix. The gasket. I don't know what it is, how much it is, and all that. I'll Google it. If it's gonna take too long, I'll just make it out of some gasket materials. And we'll be done in no time. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.